What's going on, everybody? Austin here. In today's video, I want to go over how you can make up to $12 listening to songs. Like per song, you can make up to $12. You may think this is unbelievable, but if you give me just a few minutes of your time, I'm going to show you exactly how you get paid to do this. It is really known as user testing. You get paid to test or listen to new audio tracks and review those audio tracks, and they will pay you upwards of $12 directly to your bank account or PayPal. So let's look at the computer screen right now. I'm on Google. I hope you know what Google is. If you don't, just go over to, I don't know, any web browser and type the word Google, as you can see on the screen, and it will bring you right here. Once you are here, I want you to type playlist push. Playlist push, okay? You're gonna push enter and skip this ad, and you'll see right here, playlistpush.com. Click this right here. It's gonna bring you to the website. And here it is, playlist push. What we do is we connect artists to playlist curators. You're probably like, okay, well, that's cool. I'm not a curator. I don't even know what this means. How am I supposed to get paid? So just stick with me. I'm gonna show you exactly how. If you scroll down just a little bit, if you're an artist, you go here. And you're not an artist, we're not worried about that. We are specifically want to focus on this for curators part. So you can see right here, it says discover some of the best up and coming indie artists and help them launch their career. Get paid to listen and review songs. Now, I hope that sparks your interest just a little bit. You could get paid to listen and review songs. So you see right here, get rewarded and discover music. So let's click learn more and just see exactly what it is and how it works. Scroll down right here, get paid to review songs. We pay you to listen and review songs. If you like it, you can consider it adding it to one of your playlists. So right here, paid per view. Qualified playlist curators can earn up to $12 per song review. So that's what you're going to be, is you're going to be a qualified a curator, and you could potentially get paid, earn up to $12 per song. Instant payouts, look right here to the right. We request a payout at any time. We pay directly to your bank account. You get a support in the artist and discover new music. But take right here, here is the bold print where you're probably like, oh, what is the qualifications? To qualify as a curator, you need to own a playlist with real followers on either Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. But don't let that discourage you if you don't have a playlist already or followers on these platforms. I'm going to show you two other websites that you can use to get these followers. So stick with me for just a few minutes, but let's go through this real quick. You'll want to click sign me up. Again, you're going to want to make sure you got your curators, but this is how you would sign up for a curator, or your followers, excuse me. This is how you'll sign up to be a curator. It's going to ask where you live. Do you own a public playlist on Spotify? Yes or no. How many followers does your best playlist have? However many it has, 0 to 1,000. You're going to want to get some, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Let's do that now. Go over to another website known as playlists.net. So right here, this is where you can submit a playlist. As you can see, there's a button here. Here's other playlists that have been submitted by other people. So you could essentially just submit your own playlist for you to get followers, because people follow playlists that they like. So if you click submit a playlist, you must be logged in and connected with Spotify to submit your playlist. So if you don't have Spotify, obviously you need to get one. So you'll click log in, and right here, you'll connect your Spotify account. If you don't have one, of course, look, just go over to Spotify. It's going to pop in the search bar. Once you get to Spotify, you'll want to sign up for Spotify. Sign up for free to start listening to Spotify. So you'll sign up, email address, confirm, password, what do you want to be called, your birthday, whatever. Terms of service, make sure you click this, privacy policy. If you accept them, you'll just click these buttons right here and you'll be good to go. Sign up, so you can sign up for Spotify absolutely free. And then you'll want to create a playlist. Obviously, you want to get your playlist from here, but well, not initially. You want to get your playlist before you come back there. You'll want to get your playlist, and you'll want to submit it right here to playlists.net. You'll connect your Spotify account on playlist.net. So hopefully you can get some free followers that come to this website and search playlists. Also, you can push your playlist out to any social audience that you may have, Instagram, Facebook. And if you don't have that, I highly recommend you get on TikTok. You can get followers so fast on TikTok right now that you could just put your playlist in your bio or what have you to grow it that way. I'll also show you another way to monetize and make even more money with a TikTok account in just a minute. Again, I told you I was going to show you 2 websites. Let's jump over to another website known as SoundPlate. Soundplate.com. You could also submit your playlist here. You can see right here. Unfortunately, there is, I'll show you in a second. You can see, scroll down, it says add playlist. You'll want to sign up, grow your Spotify or Deezer playlist with our website and free submission system. Artists have to have follow your playlist, blah, 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 blah. Our submission gates are simple, free, and look great on all devices. So you would just scroll down and you would add a Spotify playlist below. So to add your playlist, they do have 2 options right here. Create my playlist submission gate within 48 hours. That does cost $15. I don't want you to spend any money. So you just click join the waiting list. This is the free submission form. So just do that. Good chances you'll get approved rather quickly, depending on how many people are already in queue to submit their playlist to this platform. Once you get your followers up and you get your Spotify account and you feel like you have a few followers, come back over here to playlist push, click for curators, and then it'll bring you to this page and you will click sign me up. Once you are signed up, you'll tell them what country you live in. I don't manage any playlists, or I do. Say yes you do because you created one, and how many followers are on there. Or did you mean, or as a TikToker instead, and you can see right here, or did you mean to apply as a TikToker instead? You could also apply join playlist push as a TikTok creator, and you could do that. Okay, we have created a waitlist for new creators, I understand, and then you can join the waitlist for new TikTok creators. So that is also another way. I want to show you one more way to monetize this. Just let's go back to playlist push, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. And in the center of the page here, you'll see it says affiliates program. Click affiliates program. And if you don't know what affiliates are, being an affiliate means you just refer playlist push to somebody else. And as an affiliate, it's a referral thing. You get paid a commission anytime somebody uses your link. And you can see right here, easy to start. Add affiliate links to websites, email signatures, blogs, or share with your followers. Highly recommend you put this link in your TikTok bio. And then when you talk on TikTok or do videos, you can be like, hey, look, I earn $12 per song review using this website. If you're interested in doing the same, just check out the link in my bio and it will push them directly here. They can sign up as a curator, and then you can see you receive a commission for every new artist or creator that you refer. So you'll just essentially come down here and click sign up as an affiliate. And join playlist affiliate program. Use this form to apply for an affiliate account. You need a Spotify account to join. You just click there, and then you'll connect your Spotify and you'll fill out the form. Real quick, I want to go back and show you one more thing. Let's click learn more. It's going to talk about it. We have a great referral program for artists and creators. You will receive 10% of the campaign price for each new person you refer. So what that means is, I think it's even 3 months. Yep. So for every curator you refer, you receive 10% commissions on their first 3 months of earnings. So let's say you refer one person, right? And they come in and they listen to 10 songs, hypothetically, in their first month. That means they should generate roughly $120 because they get paid $12 per song. So 120, if they do that for 3 months, they'll make $360, and you will get 10% of those commissions because you get paid out for 3 full months. You will make $36 just off of that one person you referred. Obviously, those numbers can vary. They could be less, they could be more, they could be the same. It just depends on if that curator actually comes in here and listens to music and does reviews. So I hope you see the power of this. I hope you see the simplicity of it. All you really have to do, let's recap, is go to Playlist Push, click for curators. You can sign up to get paid $12 per song review. You could go to playlists.net to submit your Spotify playlist so other people can start following you in case you need to have followers to get approved for Playlist Push. You can also go to SoundPlate to submit your playlist to get more followers for free. You could grow your TikTok account to get your followers. And of course, you need to be signed up with Spotify.com. You need to set up a Spotify account and link it to all of those websites just like it asks you to, so people can access your playlists and so that they can follow you. And if you want more training on affiliate marketing specifically, that's what I do. If you've been on this channel, you know that's my biggest source of income. That's my favorite source of income. I like to promote other people's programs and get commissions for the referrals I bring those businesses. I will always leave a link in the description for that training. I'm gonna be the first link in the description. I'm gonna leave another video somewhere around this video to help you earn more money online. And as always, I love all you beautiful people, and we'll see you in the next one.